beauty sourcing. This time I want to interview a very important packaging company. Let's go ahead. And recently, you have also invested in new factories to expand the manufacturing service, right?
That's right.
Okay, and could you tell us a little more about it?
Yeah, actually our customers come from more than 80 countries around the world. And we established a long-term cooperation with many famous brands or from different marketing and different regions. So, you know, in order to meet all the clients that for the recent demand for the quantities and the different items, so we have to do investment. Actually, for every year we will invest a lot to enlarge our capacity for the manufacture. Business policy, we have some duty to keep the confidential for the many brands, so we can tell here. So we very strong believe that our marketing will be more and more in the future and bigger. So in these 2 years, we invested totally like 20 million, more than 20 million in our workmanship and in our factories, like new equipment and like a new automatically assembly line for pumps and for bottles, also molding, and there's a lot of things. In order to meet those clients for the products demand. Thank you.
Wow. After your introduction, someone gives me a lot of impression. Thank you. And the next question. Engineer team with more than 20 years experience in injection and blowing product molding field, right?
Yes.
And could you share with us your customized design and the ODM design, and how you control the whole quality system?
Okay. Talking about this, the R&D and the design and the development, also for the quality, I think, I have a lot of things to say. We invest a lot for our engineer team, and of course our engineer, the leader and the chief engineer, over 20 years experience in the packaging line and the industry. So we also, to meet those clients, many famous cosmetic and personal care items, we have to do a lot of new ideas and about this, how we can meet them for new generation items and how to replace the old packaging. Every year we will design like more than 200 new items, and so we keep investing in those engineer team. You know, in our company, the main service for our clients is for customized design and ODM and OEM. So of course, customized design, we have to follow our clients, and we discuss and we talk about the new items and new generation items. So only our clients just have an idea how they want the products to improve and to change and to for the new items, for better serve the marketing and how to improve. Our engineer would take the idea and to become the real products. So across this time, we were like normally within 3 months from the idea to the real products, we have to become true. From the idea and to drawing and to 3D mock-up, and we have to go to the real mold, the creating, and for try order, testing. There's a lot of things to do, but we love to do that because this is our SOMEWANG packaging. We focus on this, and we really concerned about this, the capability of design, of the customized design, and do some new items, the capability. So talk about the quality control. I think this is the big topic actually, and but I don't know if we can make it very clear in the short time. So we cooperate with a lot with SGS, and all our standard for the quality is the same standard or normally with the SGS, and because we have many clients, they ask for the third part like SGS to come to our factory to inspect the products. So in our company, the whole factories for different products and different workshop, we follow and obey the ISO, and that's just our company already got this certificate for many years ago. And this year we improved a lot, obey that, and like Sigma and many different, I don't know the phrases for very professional for quality. We have the whole quality control system in our company. Yeah, so from the raw materials, like we do a lot of MSDS for testing report, for the analysis for the raw materials, and for IQC to inspect all the raw materials come to our factories, and IPQC to follow the manufacturing, the whole time, and each section and the working shop position, we have to check. So the products produced in our factory, almost 100% checked by the machine and by the worker and before packing. And the final inspection, of course, we have a big team, like more than 20 workers for QC, only for QC for the final inspection, and to check every details with the production compared with our client's requirement to that. Yeah, and even in the contract, and we're talking about a lot about this, and we did that. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. You say a lot. And
yes.
There are a lot of process. It seems that every process needs to be strictly controlled, right?
Yes.
Okay. And the next question, we know someone always be on the frontier of the new market trend, right?
That's right.
And how is your recently innovation development? And could you introduce new items or technology?
Yeah. Nowadays everyone who living in the earth do concern about the environmentally friendly, and the global protect. I think that's as the enterprise in our company, we take the responsibility for ourselves. And of course, now more and more the raw materials will goes to environmentally friendly products and raw materials. Like we keep working with some institution in the college and in some professor to research some new products like biology materials and like PLA, and now we can produce those products in the materials, kind of materials for more environmentally friendly products. Also, we use more and more the PCR materials for our new products like plastic, and especially for all the like European marketing and like all North American many clients that do concern about the environmentally for the global. So we also follow the step, and we invest that kind of raw materials, and for marine recyclable materials also we can produce. Now for PCR we can produce PET, PE and PP used for all our products normally, for like pumps, like bottles, tubes, everything. Now we can 100% for PCR is workable. And besides those, we also our engineer develop some new items which can use less plastic as much as we can, and also for the reused and reused for the container, which means we can change, keep the same container but change the core content, like some items we just developed the new items in our website, and you can see.
providing us a lot of useful suggestions. I think these suggestions can help beauty brands to better development. And
thank you
again for your time and take our interview. Thank you.
Thank you. Also, I would like to thank you for Beautysource, and also we are one of the members for your platform, right? So we hope to serve more people, and we hope your platform more successful. Thank you. Thank you. Okay.